Now there's been all these videos on people making their own home gym, especially in a couple of the rampages. You know who you are. You know who you are. What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of R&M. Today, we're going to the gym, but it's not your normal gym. It's a gym right here in my shop that we're about to make. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make it happen. If you don't curl with a front sway bar, you're not a tuned ram gym owner. Get it. If you don't bench press with a 9 1/4 axle shaft, you ain't no tuned ram gym owner. No, you ain't. This is terrible for your back. But you're working. Yeah. Ladies, if you've got a man that claims to be a truck guy and he's not doing any of these things, he ain't. You might as well go buy him a Prius. Is that not red enough for you yet? How about deadlift with a bumper? Then when you get done doing it, you get your couple curl reps in. Yeah. Get shown for. Is that still not ram enough for you? Is it not? Fair enough. This is once you get the ram effect. Yeah. I'm not throwing this one, it's still worth a little bit of money. I mean, the true moral of the story is if you don't keep a set of lower control arms on tap to curl, you ain't no ram guy. If you don't keep turbo manifolds to do incline press with, you ain't no ram guy. Gentlemen, this has been a public service announcement from R&M on how to get down to your race weight. Don't let anything stop you. Don't let it get in your way. And the last thing to know, if you're a true ram guy, if you ain't got no toilet in your 12-second closet, you ain't shitting and getting. You ain't. After all that hard work is over with, first thing in the morning, it's time to reward yourself, which is why I can't get rid of my little old gut I have. It's time to reward yourself. It may be 8 a.m. Nobody cares. Post-workout. Now, man, it's critical. It is absolutely critical that you do this step after you get done working out in the gym. It's critical. You have to have the walk. You have to have that. I just got a good pump. Got suitcases underneath my arms. That look. Thighs the size of logs. Got to. Gotta have it. Gotta keep your chest bowed out. Like that. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there. That was rough. That was tough. It was a tough workout. Probably one of the better ones I've had. Yeah. Man. quarantine stuff's crazy. It gets to you. Lets a man think. Are you a tuned Ram gym owner? Are you a Ram truck enthusiast and have no gym and decide to spend all your time whining at home that you can't go to the gym? The list goes on. The list goes on, guys. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this episode on R&M, and we'll catch you again. Hopefully nobody takes this shit too seriously, because it's all in fun. I'm bored. There's not a whole lot going on. I'm still going to work every day, except on the weekends. So, in all seriousness, I hope everybody's doing good. Spending time with your family, and doing things you ain't got to do in the past. This is let me zoom this out real quick. This is a trying time, and if we can't all look and laugh and love each other, then we honestly shouldn't be here anymore. That's my thoughts on it. So, y'all have a great rest of your weekend. It's Sunday. Try not to have too much fun, and I'm gonna go inside, sit on the couch, not do a whole lot. Talk to y'all later.